Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today's another open house video of a cottage series home here in the village of Chatham. This is located in the northern part of the Villages. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends, thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. This is the home that is for sale here in the village of Chatham. It is list priced at $332,900. It is a wood framed home. It is a cottage series home. Let's go inside and take a look. First thing I notice is a concrete driveway as I'm walking up to the home. It is a 1.5 car garage. It does have a screen over the garage. You can pull that closed and leave your garage door open. Those are very nice and very expensive to add on here in the Villages, Florida. You will notice that it is a wood framed home. It is a cottage series home, and you will notice that it has a very large setback, very large front yard. Let's go inside and take a look. Hello, how are you? Awesome. Could you describe the home, tell us your name and a little bit about the home?
Of course. I'm Maria Esposito with Magnolia Homes and Land, and this is my 2-bedroom, 2-bath home for sale in the heart of the village of Chatham in the Villages, Florida. We've got an updated roof in 2019. We've got a fully screened-in birdcage patio in the back. And everything has been very well maintained, and we are ready to sell.
Okay, awesome. I'll take a walk through the home. Thank you very much.
Nice.
And I'll describe what I see. Maria, right?
Of course, yeah, you go ahead.
Awesome. And the first thing I notice is the vinyl plank floor, right?
Yeah, beautiful.
Very nice. It's very nice, very awesome. And the high ceilings with the acoustic texture on the ceiling. It does appear that the kitchen has laminate countertops on it as well. I will video the specification sheet of this home so everybody has an idea of what the room dimensions are and the size of the rooms. I do notice it has updated appliances. It has a gas stove. The cabinets appear to be oak cabinets with brushed stainless. Hardware on it. Very nice home, very light and bright. It feels very open.
Yes, lots of natural light in here.
Lots of natural light. Off to the left of the foyer, you will see guest rooms as well, and the master bedroom. You can see the updated appliances. It has laminate countertops. It has a stainless 2-bowl sink. Let's take a walk out and take a look at the 1.5 car garage. The entrance door to the garage is off the kitchen. This is your 1.5 car garage. Very neat home. The laundry is in the garage. The mechanicals are over there. You should be able to fit a golf cart and a car in this garage without any issues. The golf cart would fit on that side of the garage. Let's take a walk out and look at the lanai with the bird cage. The patio, actually, with the bird cage. It has a sliding patio door leading off to the back of the home. Very large patio area here. Very nice. It does have a painted concrete floor. Very nice bird cage that's screened in. The back of the home is facing south to give you perspective. That is the back side of the home. It is a wood framed home located here in the Villages, Florida, in the village of Chatham. Let's see if we can walk to the backyard. We'll take a pan in the backyard. This is the backyard. That would be facing east. This is the side yard. That would be facing north. Very nice home. Roof seems to be in very good condition. Let's go back inside the home and take a look at the bedrooms. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. Let's go inside and take a look. We'll take a walk in. I think this is the guest bathroom, bedroom.
That one's your master.
This is the master bedroom. It does have carpeted floors, very large window. Does have the acoustic texture in the ceiling, on the ceiling. Has a master bathroom as well. This bedroom is located in the back of the home, so you will have privacy. You will not hear street noise in this bedroom. The master bathroom has one sink in it, oak cabinets. That is a skylight in that bathroom to keep it nice and light. It has a walk-in closet to the left. Let's take a look at what the walk-in closet looks like. Looks like it does have vinyl floors. Does have wire shelving units. Very nice home. Does have 6-panel white doors. Has a commode and shower area as well. That shower does appear to be fiberglass or plastic. I believe it is a 48-inch shower. It's nice and large. There is a window above the commode. Very nice. There is also a little storage closet here in the commode room with wire shelves in it. Let's go out and take a look at the guest bedroom. Here we go. Here's another panoramic view of the living and dining area and the kitchen. Let's take a walk over to the guest bedroom area. And at the guest bathroom, here's the guest bathroom. Does have a tub and a shower. Appears to be fiberglass or plastic. Does have a solar tube. Has one sink. Those floors appear to be vinyl floors. Very nice, light and bright home. Here is a closet right off the bathroom. I know that my subscribers like to see the inside of the closets. And I do appreciate you subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. This is the guest bedroom. It does have carpeted floors. It is located in the front of the home. The front of the home is facing north. This bedroom does have bifold door closet, acoustic textured ceilings. As always, if you are interested in this home, please contact the listing agent, Marie. That is her contact information right there. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Next, I will walk out to the street. I'll pan the street left and right, give you the directions. This home shows very well. Well, thank you, Marie, for opening the door.
Thank you for stopping in and showing everybody the home.
Okay, very good. I do appreciate that. Here we are in the front of the home. It does have a large setback, so your front yard is nice and large, set away from the street. This is your home, nice mature landscaping. Let's take a walk to the street. I'll pan left and right. It is located in the Village of Chatham. It is very quiet here. This is facing north. This is facing east. That is your home. It's a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home here in the Village of Chatham. It is list priced at $332,900. And I will pan this way. That is facing west. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate you making comments on the videos. I do appreciate that. Have a good day, everybody. Take care. Thank you all for watching this video and joining me on this open house tour in the Village of Chatham. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom cottage series home. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Have a great day, everyone.